Today I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Shadow 5 to app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. You just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here. And here you're looking for Shadow Fight Your app or just click on search. Then here add Fight Shadow here or Shadow Fight Your app here, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then you search here for Shadow Fight 2. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.